We're in Turkey. It's 8 o'clock right now. So in 20 minutes we go scuba diving.
Are you ill?
I don't know what we got ourselves into either.
Well, I just learned how to dive. You have to hold your breath.
So Rami claimed that he can jump off a 100-meter cliff. He just don't know what he's talking about.
Are you having a nervous smoke?
Yes.
Hannah wants to go to the fish market. I want to eat fishies.
10 hours later.
Rami's back there contemplating, should I go with my real friends or hang out with us?
Do you like Turkish delight?
No, that's good. Oh my lira. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at these slabs, boy. Look at those. Those are like lobsters. No.
Go. Now we're walking alone in Turkey.
We didn't feel like eating the fish at the fish market.
We decided to come back to Old Faithful.
Works every time.
Your Wiener Schnitzel. No. His mask is doing a lot. I don't like tequila.
Cheers.
Ask him if he likes Turkish delight.
Do you like Turkish delight? Turkish delight? Do you like?
Are there turkeys here? Ah, Turkish delight.
Doves.
We were ID'd in Turkey.
ID.
You're going to make her fat.
Fifth taster. Yum 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 yum.
Midnight snack. I got me a gong.
Coconut.
Naughty nini.
Yellow. You know, yellow man.
Yellow man.
I see.
Oh, Peter.
Oh,
Yeah.
Peter.
What is it?